Hello guys, namaste and welcome back again in Sansa vlog. Today I'm gonna show you how to make dragon roll sushi with avocado and cucumber and tempura. This is the ebi, this is the camera and it's called also shrimp. Okay, I'm gonna fry these ones. Okay, firstly let's fry these ones here. Nice. After that I'll make a very beautiful dragon sushi roll. Okay, let's see. Okay, finally I have these ones. Yeah, I have the cucumber, I have the tempura cucumber and avocado. Let's make the beautiful dragon. It's called also green dragon also. Okay, this is the nori. I'm using this part of the rice. Tempura and cucumber. Finally my tempura roll is ready. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the avocado for the dragon. Okay, I cut like this and make this nice. I'll take out this ball like this. Nice. Now I'll take the skins of the avocado. Okay, I'll cut the avocado like this. Now I'll make like this, you know. You can see here, yeah. I'll put like this and I'll put here. Nice, very good. And I have this ones. I'll put this film here. Okay. Now let's cut the dragon. Very good dragon. Okay. Now I'll put in the plate. Okay. I'll do the plating. That is teriyaki. Dragon, yeah. We can put in the topping for the bolino, yeah. So, and also we can put the sesame, mixed sesame, okay. Finally, our roll is ready. Okay guys, here is our dragon sushi roll. I have the wasabi and ginger. Here is our dragon sushi roll. It's called also green sushi, green dragon. Okay, nice.